That's it then.
Get in the front, just let go of that. Just put that there.
How'd you get in?
Just go.
Oh!
How on earth did you get in this thing?
Just get in, you're going to go over the other side otherwise.
How on earth did you get in
Where's
this?
your leg? Go on.
Get in your seat.
Go forward.
You've moved your seat.
Go forward.
What's happened to your seat?
Because I'm really scared. I'm not saying the seat. I'm not saying the seat.
Get you.
I'm not saying the seat. Help!
You're going to capsize. Get in your boat. Get in. Oh, God. Why have our oars gone in half? Can't see a thing. She's not even in her seat.
Oh my goodness.
She's not even in her seat.
Where's this woman they're thinking?
You know he's going to take you to the bridge. I can't see her now. I should have put her in a life jacket.
Well, she's got some nice stuff in there, isn't she?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice that. Because you definitely need your sunglasses up there.
Oh, so funny. Oh. I can't see now.